तो हेलो गाइस। मैं हूँ अमय प्यारे एंड टुडे मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा। तो आवर टुडेस टॉपिक इज बेस्ट कोड एडिटर फॉर प्रोग्रामिंग। तो दुनिया में बहुत सारे एडिटर्स हैं, बट वी विल टॉक अबाउट द फोर बेस्ट एडिटर्स फॉर प्रोग्रामिंग। तो इट्स बेसिकली कॉल्ड IDE। तो आई विल IDE। So what is IDE first? We'll take in short. There are some standard features of IDE, like text editor. Like we are going to type the code, a debugger to debug the program, compiler to compile the program like C and C++, code completion like automatic code completion like GitHub, or there are many AI features. Programming language support. So there are lots of programming language, so it should be supported by the IDE. And integration and plugins, like we have plugins in VSCode, so we will talk about that. So our today's contents are: first is VSCode, then Eclipse. So you don't know what is VSCode. Second one, Eclipse. Third one, third one, we have Android Studio. And fourth one is Xcode for macOS, for creating applications. So these two are like native IDs. And we have also fifth one, which is secret IDE. So what still and know about this IDE? And this IDE is like modern era. So there are many cool features there. So you can paste in the comments. Comments are active. So starting with VS Code. So this is how VS Code looks. We have files, editors, selection. We have terminal. We can open terminal. We can open many terminals like this. We can run from here anything. Else we have yeah, we have this many files in here. So this is the VS Code. We have code completion here. So like suppose I want to add a Kelvin CSS. So uh, text center. This is how this is the auto completion text TXL. We can tab it so it will auto complete it. So this is all about VS Code. We have search options here, search specific word. We have source control by GitHub, so we can use source control, or we can sorry, it is not by GitHub. The source control by Git, and we can use GitHub for this purpose. We have debug option. We have extensions option. We can install any extension here. There are many options for this. These are all extensions. We have R extension, so it's not here. It's very simple. Uh, then now we will move to the Eclipse. So this is the Eclipse. This is very old UI, like this is how it looks. Yeah. And it is just old way of programming. Here all the languages support, but the problem is we can't support here with the plugins. Installing plugins are difficult in this. So no one literally uses most of the time this one. Eclipse. So for the native application development, we have Android Studio. So this is how Android Studio looks. We have all the parts on the left side about all there are various options like this Git version control, build, debug, and these are the plugins. We can do it here. This is an Android Studio. Now moving on to the native development environment for Apple devices or iOS. This is Xcode. This is the UI of Xcode. There are many features, but the point is we can only use this Xcode in only Mac devices only, like Mac OS and iOS. No other operating systems are allowed for Xcode for current purpose. So thank you for watching till here. And there is last one, last but not least. This is the best and the modern code editor project ideas. So you will open this by Google. The project is held by Google. So this is how it looks. Yeah, home blogs. This is the code editor in the browser. So yeah, get started. You have many options here. So here are many of them. We have you can create Android Studio as well. You can create Angular app, Node.js, Flutter, Gemini API, Astro, Go, Python, Node Express. We have many of them. Pre-app. You can also use white. I guess white is already present. Yeah, white. Mm. For all this, you can create native, React Native like this. Mm. We have many other options like backend. Here are the backend language support, mobile, Flutter, and React Native experimental. AI and machine learning, these are the all Firebase benefit. Gemini API plus Google Maps platform, databases, Postgres, MySQL, Prisma, and Data Connect. Mist, blank workspace, React plus Google. And there are many possible solutions. So this is the newest project. This is called the Project IDX. I will share all the links related to this IDs so you can directly click and download the products. So thank you. And we will be we will meet tomorrow with another video, and we will meet this tonight to solve another problem of leak code. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like. Thank you.